I am going to water my Malunggay for today's video, and I am going to clean my porch with water because we have a sandstorm last night and it was very dusty outside. Anyway, I have free unlimited water, so now worry it's not the same in the Philippines lol. If you're not asking, I live and work in Saudi Arabia and sandstorm is a common occurrence here. I lived in a 2-story apartment owned by my boss here in the eastern province of Saudi. My workplace is just located at the front of the building where I live. I only have one Bengali workmate who lived in the ground floor and he's now on his own country for vacation. As a lone Filipino expat living in this building, it is hard for me to go outside alone doing exercise or sightseeing the area, especially my Arabic skill are not good enough. I only wash my porch every after sandstorm even though I have free unlimited water. I have been living on this house for 9 months now since I am from the capital Riyadh. Life here is very calm and peaceful, no traffics. It's a typical province in Saudi Arabia where you can find grocery shops at every corner. But the weather is now shifting from colder days to extremely hot ones. I love afternoon sunshine. Thank you, Lord, for your grace. Seeing my healthy Malunggay striving makes me happy. Maka saboa ra chud ha ha ha. Awful pronunciation. I use English narrator so that my Tagalog and non-Bisaya speaking friends could understand me. I am not a native speaker of Tagalog, so I am utilizing this tool so I may not sound funny, ha 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 ha. Thank you so much guys for watching my bits of life here in Saudi Arabia. Regards wherever you're at right now.